So, welcome to Attachment Studios and today we will be making some basic functions for jump for games like Flappy Birds and other types of platformer games and jumping games and other things. So, for this we have already created one template. I actually made a video on how to make player gravity, and now for jumping I will actually do a separate video. And jumping is quite easy, but this time I actually have made some changes because now I don't need any platform. I have removed all the platform and simplified the script a little bit and made it actually of 19 lines, or actually less than even 20 lines. Well, if I will count, then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 lines of code, and this is done. So for now, we have actually made this. So I actually removed the option for landing in any platform, and actually set it to like gravity will be changing forever, and player gravity will must change along. And when we actually use this in left movie, then see, it's simple, but it's slow. I know it's still a little bit slow. I think we can do that to 175 for a little faster. It's almost just before 2, and this, I hate that. A little faster, but still not that till expected. So let's do like 2. I hope this works. So I will actually not waste some time in fixing the gravity. Okay, 2.5, last try. Then if not successful, if very fast, then 0.225, and if too slow, then obviously 3 3 might be better. So over here now, our player cannot be stopped, but it will actually not appear to screen once it actually leaves screen, because we 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 actually lost him out of the screen, inside the screen. So for that we will just do like simple code instead of body. And yes, you can actually remove the written things in touch release, because those are useless, and actually they are not useless, but they are they are of no need if you are just getting a simple touch release means simple tap or touch or anything. So let's do like if this is true, then gravity will be changed to 5. No, sorry, -5. Okay, now that's good. So this might be actually better for doing this. So when we actually do like really click this, then now this will actually go up. But I know, let's do like gravity equals 5, and then let's do something like actually we can write a command: if gravity less than -1, and then write then, and then just do like do this, and then end actually not technically, I will not end this, but I will do like else gravity equals -5, and then I will end now because I don't want to leave it. So let's do like gravity and gravity -5. simple. So let's do like if gravity is less than that, then this will occur. So now this will accelerate. It's like we are hitting it badly. Well, it works perfectly and it's simple. So I think this might be it. And this might be used for Flappy Bird if I would ever like to use it for Flappy Bird. And you can actually change the gravity accordingly, and it's just like we added let's check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this video is ended for those who have actually no more who are not interested to see how many lines of code. So 7, is it 7 really? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So 18 lines of code and it's done. I'm not including the main.va option. So that's it. Thank you for watching Attachment Studio. Subscribe, like, share, and please share more about this channel if you are interested in coding and any of your friends are interested in coding or anyone.